Short right here with another Codewars challenge. This one's a level 8. We're doing it in Python. It's called Keep Up the Hoop. And as always, there's a link to the challenge in the show notes if you want to try it out before watching the video. So let's get started. All right, so Alex just got a new hula hoop. He loves it, but he feels discouraged because his little brother is better than him. Write a program where Alex can input how many times the hoop goes around, and it will return him an encouraging message. So if he gets 10 or more hoops, let's return the string, great, now move on to tricks. If he doesn't get 10 hoops, return the string, keep at it until you get it. All right, that's pretty straightforward. This is gonna be an if-else, it looks like. If n is greater than or equal to 10, we're gonna return the first message. So we'll return great, now move on to tricks. And then otherwise, we just return keep at it until you get it. Okay. I could have done this as an else, but you're either in this, whenever you do a return, it's going to break out of the function anyway and not run anything past that return line. So usually that else is unnecessary. Okay, so that's passing. Let's do a full submission here and see if that works. And it looks like we got it.